Today I'm going to be sharing with you a deliciously simple chicken chili casserole recipe that's also keto friendly and naturally gluten-free. It only takes 4 basic ingredients and a few spices to get this delicious meal on your dinner table. Hi there friends, welcome back to Heart-Filled Kitchen. My name is Luann. The first step in this recipe is to grab a large bowl and add 1 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese. Next, we'll add our spices, which are a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon each of cumin, salt, and ground black pepper. The third ingredient is going to be a half a cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. Grab your hand mixer or your stand mixer and combine all of these together until it's thoroughly mixed and creamy. I want to take just a second to thank you for stopping by today. If you're new here, I would love it if you'd go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, if you're enjoying this recipe, I hope you'll take a second to give it a big thumbs up. And now for our third ingredient, it's going to be a 4-ounce can of green chilies. Stir that together until it's thoroughly mixed. Add to a well-greased casserole dish 3 to 4 boneless, skinless chicken breast, or in this case, I'm using some chicken tenders. Now you're going to take that cream cheese mixture and spread it evenly to the top of your chicken. Now I had just a little bit of the cheese left over, so I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle that on top. And we're going to place this dish in an oven that's been preheated to 375 degrees and cook that for 35 to 45 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the juices run clear. Now, I like to serve this with some white rice and a salad on the side, but you can serve it over Spanish rice, on tortillas, or mashed potatoes. I hope you'll give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for stopping by today, and I'll see you in the next one.